Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's video, we're talking about big companies, so let's get started. What is a company you are interested in? You could say the company I'm interested in is in Apple, or one company that's captured my interest is Apple. Another question you could be asked is, how did you find out about the company? I heard about it from friends, or I came to know about it through recommendations from my acquaintances. What kind of business does the company do? They make phones and computers, or the company primarily specializes in the production of electronic devices such as smartphones and computers. Why are you interested in this company? Because their products are really cool, or the innovative and groundbreaking nature of their products has greatly intrigued me. Okay, that's all the questions we have for today. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me at home. It's intended to give you more insight into the topic at hand. Over the years, Apple, as a company, has grown to be a check giant renowned for its cutting-edge devices and software solutions. Apple Incorporated, founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Robert Wayne, started as a modest venture in a garage. One of Apple's standout features is its integrated ecosystem of devices and software. Products like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac seamlessly work together, creating a cohesive user experience. This interconnectedness has garnered a loyal customer base and helped Apple maintain a competitive edge. Apple's legacy of innovation has epitomized by its trailblazing products. The iPhone revolutionized the way we communicate and access information, while the iPad introduced a new category of portable computing. The Apple Watch and AirPods further solidified Apple's position as a pioneer in wearable technology. This attention to detail has not only set aesthetic trends, but also resonated deeply with customers. Aesthetic excellence is a hallmark of Apple products. The company's emphasis on sleek and minimalist design has elevated its design to objects of desire. Apple's influence transcends technology. It has impacted popular culture, shaping how we consume media and communicate. The App Store, with its vast array of applications, has redefined how we use our devices, enabling us to tailor them to our specific needs. This commitment aligns with the growing awareness of ecological concerns. Beyond this product, Apple has taken strides towards sustainability. The company is committed to reducing its carbon footprint, using renewable energy, and minimizing its environmental impact. Apple's journey from a garage startup to a global tech titan is a testament to its relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence. With a blend of visionary leadership, user-centric design, and dedication to pushing boundaries, Apple continues to shape the world of technology and beyond. Okay, next up is our range of vocab. Please incorporate them into your everyday English usage. So you can say, products and ecosystem, innovation, trailblazing, portable computing, pioneer, revolutionized, resonated, sleek, minimalist design, transcends, shaping, tailor, carbon footprint, renewable energy, environmental impact, user-centric design, relentless pursuit, visionary leadership, pushing boundaries. Similarly, in the same vein, likewise. That's all the expressions of vocab we have for today. Now, unlike other videos, there are no paraphrasing exercises today, so enjoy some time off. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.